Welcome to Foxtecc. VLC Media Player is a great alternative for playing videos and audio files on an iPhone, but getting files into the app isn't always obvious. I made a video about this before, but it was a bit too basic, so here's an updated and more detailed guide on how to use VLC properly on an iPhone. First, you need to download VLC for mobile from the App Store. Once installed, the next step is to add your videos or other media files. VLC offers a few different ways to do this, but the best method I've found is using its dedicated folder inside the Files app. This gives you direct control over your media without needing to use third-party transfers or complicated settings. To find this folder, open the Files app and go to the On My iPhone section. You should see a folder labeled VLC with the recognizable cone logo next to it. This folder is where VLC stores media files, and you can manually place videos, audio files, or any supported media inside it. If you already have an MP4 or MP3 file on your iPhone, just move it into this folder, and VLC will recognize it automatically. If your video is saved in another app, like Photos, you can still transfer it to VLC easily. Open the video and Photos, tap Share, select Save to Files, and then choose the VLC folder. Once saved, the video will instantly appear inside VLC, ready for playback. This method works for most file types and is the quickest way to make sure VLC can access your media. Once your files are in VLC, you can explore the app's interface. There are sections at the bottom of the screen to organize your media, and playback controls are straightforward. But the most important part is knowing how to get your files into the app, since that's what tends to confuse most people. Hopefully this helped you set up VLC and manage your media more easily. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.